slow and steady in the morning haze. Shells of wisdom in the golden rays. They move like whispers on the gentle land, a timeless waltz, a dance so grand. Oh, the tortoises glide through the grassy sea, a melody of earth wild and free. In the field where the sunbeams kiss the dew, they find their joy so pure.